Today, I'm going to teach you bipartite. Bipartite. What is it? There is a boy and a girl. They can become a friend. On the other hand, let's just assume that there isn't same-gender friend. A boy and a boy cannot become a friend. A girl and a girl cannot become a friend. These are good friend relationships. This is bipartite graph. These are not bipartite. Because a boy 1 and boy 2 are marked as a friend. This is a graph in the real world. Left one is bipartite, and the right one is not bipartite. How can we decide it? Let's start. Here is a graph. Before we go, if you haven't watched the previous lesson, please watch it first. Let's use code from a previous lesson. We need this code to do breadth-first search on a graph. Initialize the queue first. Moreover, assume the first node is a man. First breadth. Iterate over the queue. Cause it hasn't been visited, mark it visited. Now check the adjacent nodes. As we already discussed, node 2 should become a woman now. Mark it as a woman with this code. If current node is a man, next node should be a woman. Combine with base code. Now let's start again. Focus on the next node of node 1. Node 3. It becomes a woman again. Put it into the next queue. One more next node. Mark it as a woman. Put it onto the next queue. Cause 2 for loop have been ended. Let's updated queue in next queue. Now second breadth. Iterate over the queue. Cause node 2 hasn't been visited, mark it as visited. Check adjacent nodes. Node 2 is a woman, so mark the next node, node 1 as a man. We already marked it, so it is still same. Put it onto the next queue. Now node 4. By the way, node 2 and node 4 are both women, but they are linked as friends. It is not bipartite, so return false. If current node and next node are both men or women, return false. Combining with the base code. Here is the full code. The only difference between previous lesson is these lines. Sometimes, you should care about a separated graph. Think about by yourself. It's not tricky at all. Thanks you for watching this video.